Hey guys, today we're going to be doing a quick review of this gun cleaner and lube that I bought at a gun show. It's called XF-7. I've never heard of it, never used it. I am not affiliated with it, but saw it at the gun show, and I usually use this Hops Elite gun cleaner. It's okay with the regular Hops lube. I mean, it's all right. I don't have any complaints. So I bought this bottle and the lube. It was like 30 bucks at the gun show. It's kind of pricey, but it is non-toxic. It smells like citrus, so I figured I'd give it a shot. Came with this little brochure, and it gives all the little cool things. And yeah, so figured I'd give it a call. It's called XF-7, and this is the card that they gave me. So I'll give it a shot. This is my Beretta PX4 Storm 40 caliber. I put about 250 rounds at the range 2 weeks ago. Anyways, gonna go ahead and take the gun apart and show you guys how dirty it is. All right, so only took about 2 seconds. You can see it's kind of dirty. It's really not that bad. I mean, only shot 250 rounds. It's not that big of a deal. Although I hardly ever shoot more than that at a gun range at one time, and I usually clean my guns every time, so they relatively stay pretty clean. Let's take this white cloth. There you go, just to show you that it is dirty. So this is the cleaner, bore cleaner, obviously. All right, so I got everything just sprayed down. It just sprays pretty good. It's got a nice wide angle. I kind of just pretty much soaked the gun real good. Kind of just how you normally would clean a gun. I'm going to go ahead and scrub it down, and just like I always do with my guns, and then show you. I'm just using a nylon brush. For the bore, I like to use this. And then I got these little cotton swab Q-tips. And then I don't know if a lot of people do this, but I like to use a flashlight when I'm done cleaning, especially looking down the barrel to make sure it's pretty clean. Just kind of like to go look at it, and then I can actually see, you know, how clean if I missed a spot. So most people probably don't get that detailed, but I do. All right, so I got everything cleaned. It actually worked very well. The hardest part I've always found is this part of the barrel, and as you can see, that's pretty clean. The only other thing is the end of the barrel. It's still a little. I don't know if that's carbon buildup from firing the gun, or that's actually like the finish is halfway coming off. I'm not sure. I mean, the gun, however, is pretty freaking clean. Cleaner than what we started out. You can actually see it's like shiny and clean. I'm kind of impressed. I think the one thing I do like that I've noticed is if you look at the brush here, look how, I mean, as soon as I started scrubbing, it immediately turned black. And it was white. And then you can kind of look I like the cotton swab here. And I got a whole bunch. I mean, it wasn't that dirty, so they're not like super black, but it did actually come right off. And actually, if I take the bore brush here and put my cotton swab on it, you'll see it was black. So it's cleaning wise, I mean, it did a pretty good job. I can tell you right now, there is no odor. I don't smell anything. And another thing too, if you look at my hands, they're not black, which is kind of cool, because when I use like hops, you know, whatever I'm cleaning gets on my hands. So they got a couple of different methods here. They do sell a syringe, and so obviously want the gun to be dry and clean. And all you do is spray it on, since I have the spray bottle, and leave it. You don't wipe it off. Like hops oil, you're supposed to apply it and then wipe off the excess. This, you just spray it on and it supposedly dries. So let's give it a go. I got the gun back together, quite simple. So the biggest thing for me that I'm going to be checking is leakage. So supposedly this product dries, and once it dries, it stays lubed and nothing sticks to it, including gunpowder, dust, particles, all types of things like that. That is going to be an updated video, I guess, later down the road. So time will tell. But so far, I mean, the product works great so far. Well, that's going to conclude this little quick review. Again, XF-7 review. I'm not affiliated. This is my first time using it. And I'll probably take this gun to the range, put another few hundred rounds through it, see how it does. See if there's any type of function failures. I got my 300 blackout pistol that I built, and I also have my 6.5 Grendel hunting rifle that I camo sprayed. If you guys are interested in anything about those rifles, let me know in the comments below, and I'll do a quick video on the parts that I used, where I found them, the links, and anything else. I can tell you right now, this 300 blackout pistol with the SB tactical brace is the most fun gun I've ever fired. I love it. Recommend you getting your own. So that'll be it for today. And if you have any kids, if you know anybody with kids, my new kids book came out earlier this year. Don't troll on me. If you want more information, there will be a link. And also, I actually have a little commercial on my YouTube channel. So just hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you later, guys. Thanks.